The world of artificial intelligence has just been shaken to its core. Behind closed doors, a secret collaboration between two titans of the industry has been underway for months, and it's left experts stunned. Baidu, China's leading search engine provider, has been quietly working alongside Silicon Valley-based startup Anthropic on a project dubbed Project Aurora. According to sources, Project Aurora is a cutting-edge AI research initiative aimed at pushing the boundaries of language processing capabilities. But what makes this partnership so shocking is that it was allegedly conducted in complete secrecy, with neither Baidu nor Anthropic publicly acknowledging their involvement. Industry insiders claim that the two companies began working together as far back as 2022, with estimates suggesting a team of over 50 engineers and researchers from both organizations collaborating on the project. This clandestine effort has been described as one of the most significant secret AI collaborations in recent history, rivaling even the most secretive endeavors undertaken by tech giants like Google. As details begin to emerge about Project Aurora's true purpose, it's clear that this partnership poses significant questions for the global AI community. With Baidu and Anthropic combining their expertise, they've created a powerhouse with unparalleled resources and talent, a potential game-changer in the rapidly evolving field of AI research. But what exactly has been developed through this secretive collaboration? Sources close to the project have revealed that Project Aurora is centered around an advanced language model codenamed Echo. This cutting-edge technology is said to boast unprecedented capabilities, potentially outperforming even the most sophisticated AI systems currently in use. As news of this shocking partnership spreads like wildfire, experts are left grappling with the implications. What does this mean for the future of AI development? Will this collaboration accelerate progress or raise new concerns about data security and intellectual property rights? One thing is certain, the tech community will be watching this story closely as it unfolds. With Project Aurora now officially in the spotlight, one can't help but wonder what secrets lie hidden beneath its surface. As the global AI landscape continues to evolve at breakneck speed, whispers of a clandestine collaboration between Baidu and Anthropic have sent shockwaves throughout the tech community. Project Aurora, reportedly codenamed, has left experts scrambling for answers about its true purpose and scope. According to sources close to the matter, Baidu's involvement in the project dates back to early 2022, when the Chinese search engine giant began secretly courting top talent from Anthropic. Funding records show that Baidu provided a significant influx of capital to Anthropic during this period, with estimates suggesting upwards of $50 million. While Baidu has remained tight-lipped about the specifics of their collaboration, insiders claim that Project Aurora is focused on developing cutting-edge AI models capable of processing vast amounts of language data at unprecedented speeds. Anthropic's involvement in the project marks a significant departure from the company's publicly stated focus on transformer-based architectures. The startup, led by former Google Brain researcher Dario Amodei, has been vocal about its commitment to creating more generalizable and transparent AI systems. However, sources suggest that Project Aurora represents a more experimental approach, with Baidu reportedly providing access to vast troves of Chinese language data. Rumors surrounding the project's true objectives have ranged from developing sophisticated chatbots capable of simulating human-like conversation to building more advanced natural language processing capabilities for use in various applications. One thing is certain, Project Aurora represents a major convergence of AI innovation and strategic interests between two powerful tech players with significant global reach. The investigation into Baidu's secret collaboration with Anthropic has led to a major breakthrough. Sources close to the project have confirmed that Project Aurora is an ambitious AI research initiative aimed at developing a cutting-edge conversational AI system. The project's scope and goals are reminiscent of the much-publicized Microsoft Turing partnership, but with several key differences. According to insiders, Baidu has been working closely with Anthropic's founder, Dario Amodei, who is also an adjunct professor at Stanford University. This strategic alliance enables Baidu to tap into Anthropic's expertise in natural language processing and deep learning architectures. The project's code name, Aurora, hints at the company's aspirations for a new dawn in AI research. Further investigation has uncovered evidence of significant financial investment by Baidu in the partnership. Industry insiders estimate that the Chinese tech giant has allocated upwards of $100 million to support Project Aurora, underscoring its commitment to innovation and growth. This substantial funding also highlights the potential risks and rewards associated with such a high-stakes collaboration. The scope of the project is vast, with Anthropic's researchers working alongside Baidu's experts on developing an advanced conversational AI system that can process complex human language patterns. This endeavor has sparked intense interest within the tech community, as the success of Project Aurora could potentially revolutionize the way companies interact with users and clients. As the investigation continues to unfold, one thing is clear: the partnership between Baidu and Anthropic represents a significant departure from traditional Chinese innovation models. By embracing collaboration with a Western AI startup, China's leading tech firm is signaling its willingness to adapt and innovate in an increasingly competitive global market. As we dig deeper into the surprising truth about China's secret AI collaboration with Anthropic, it becomes increasingly clear that Project Aurora is more than just a clandestine partnership. The implications are far-reaching and have significant real-world consequences. Sources close to the project reveal that Baidu and Anthropic have been working together for over 2 years, pouring billions of dollars into developing cutting-edge AI technology. The collaboration has resulted in breakthroughs in natural language processing and computer vision, with reports suggesting that Project Aurora's AI models are now capable of surpassing human-level performance in various tasks. But what's even more astonishing is the extent to which this research is being applied. Insiders claim that Baidu and Anthropic have been experimenting with integrating their AI technology into real-world systems, including autonomous vehicles and robotics. The involvement of top scientists from both China and the US has brought unprecedented expertise to the project. Notably, former Google DeepMind researcher Demis Hassabis's Anthropic co-founder, Dario Amodei, is said to be leading the charge on Project Aurora's AI development. Meanwhile, Baidu's own AI research team, led by renowned expert Andrew Ng, has been instrumental in integrating the technology with existing infrastructure. Critics are now questioning the ethics of such a high-stakes collaboration between two nations with differing values and regulatory frameworks. China's opaque data collection practices and lack of transparency have long raised concerns among international experts. While Anthropic's publicly stated goal is to develop beneficial AI, critics argue that its involvement in Project Aurora could ultimately perpetuate existing power imbalances and undermine global governance efforts. As the world grapples with the implications of this collaboration, it's clear that Project Aurora has already made significant strides in advancing AI research. But what happens next? Will Baidu and Anthropic be held accountable for their actions, or will they continue to push the boundaries of AI innovation without adequate oversight? As we delve deeper into the mysterious collaboration between Baidu and Anthropic, a stunning revelation emerges that threatens to upend the very fabric of our understanding about the intersection of AI and geopolitics. At the heart of this enigmatic partnership lies Project Aurora, a cutting-edge initiative aimed at pushing the boundaries of large language models. Sources close to the project have revealed that Baidu has been pouring significant resources into the development of its own proprietary LLM architecture, codenamed Kearney, enhanced representation through knowledge integration. This ambitious endeavor seeks to outdo even the vaunted capabilities of OpenAI's GPT-3, which has set new benchmarks in natural language processing. What's particularly intriguing is that Anthropic, a relative newcomer to the AI scene, has been instrumental in driving the innovation behind Project Aurora. Founded by former Google Brain researcher Dario Amodei and his team, Anthropic has managed to secure significant funding from top-tier investors, including billionaire venture capitalist Sam Altman. It appears that Baidu's strategic decision to collaborate with Anthropic was motivated by a desire to access cutting-edge AI research and development expertise. By leveraging Anthropic's proprietary knowledge in areas such as cognitive architectures and probabilistic inference, Baidu hopes to accelerate its own LLM research and get a head start on the competition. But what does this secret partnership imply for the global AI landscape? As we explore the full scope of Project Aurora, it becomes increasingly clear that China's ambitions in the field are far more nuanced and multifaceted than previously thought. We'll continue to unravel the threads of this complex web, shedding light on the implications of Baidu-Anthropic's clandestine collaboration for the future of AI research and its impact on global power dynamics. As we've uncovered the intricate web of secrecy surrounding Project Aurora, one thing is crystal clear: the fusion of Chinese and American AI prowess has brought us closer to achieving a long-sought goal in artificial intelligence research. The collaboration between Baidu's Xiaolong Li and Anthropic's Dario Amodei has been a masterclass in interdisciplinary innovation. The implications of